Introduction to Jira and Agile Sprints.
Jira is a popular tool for managing Agile projects. It helps teams organize work, track progress, and collaborate efficiently. In this guide, we'll walk through how to set up and track Agile sprints in Jira, making it easier to stay productive and deliver projects on time. Whether you're new to Jira or Agile, these basics will help you get started.
Setting up a new project in Jira.
To begin, log into Jira and create a new project. Choose a template that fits Agile practices, such as Scrums or Kanban. Give your project a name and customize settings as needed. This workspace will be the home for your sprints, user stories, and team collaboration throughout the project lifecycle.
Creating and organizing your backlog.
Once your project is ready, build the product backlog. Add tasks, user stories, or issues by clicking Create. Assign priorities, estimates, and descriptions for each item. You can also create epics to group related work. Keeping the backlog clear helps your team focus on what's most important for the next sprint.
Starting a sprint.
To launch a sprint, move relevant tasks from your backlog to the sprint section. Click Start Sprint and set a start and end date, usually 1 to 4 weeks. Clearly define the sprint goal so your team knows what needs to be accomplished. Once the sprint starts, everyone works on the assigned tasks during the set period.
Tracking progress and closing sprints.
Monitor your sprint using Jira's boards and reports. Track progress by moving tasks from to-do to in progress, then to done. Use burn-down charts to see if you're on track. At the end, review completed work, close the sprint, and discuss improvements in a retrospective for the next cycle.
Tips for effective sprint management.
Communicate regularly with your team and update tasks frequently. Keep your backlog prioritized and avoid adding new tasks mid-sprint. Review sprint reports to spot trends and improve future sprints. With these practices, Jira becomes a powerful ally in team productivity and successful Agile project delivery.